dust and noise. Dust, and actually there is a limitation that we learned in a recent seminar we did in Texas with these new silica regulations, which I think there is no escape for it. And what I mean is that our dust sensors are monitoring both particle counts and particle mass. And those particle counts and mass are measured in different scales, which are mostly based on human health. So we have very, very fine particle measurements for data centers, like 0.0 ppms, 0.01 ppms. But internationally, and even the US regulations mostly call for 2.5 and 10 ppms, which are the size of particles that will go into your lungs, below those sizes. Then we have the particle mass concentration per cubic meter. But they will measure dust in general with scattered lasers that are like beneath the sensors, which are, small in general, very small, very portable, and you can place them in different places. And I think that that's kind of what it does. The other part of the question was, he mentioned dust and?
Dust and, let me see, and noise.
Noise. Yeah.
Noise. Noise is also interesting because noise can be measured in, noise is pressure transmitted over the air. Now, noise, we humans hear between 20 and I think it's 20,000 hertz. So we can see noise from some sensors, like we have air quality sensors that will give you noise as in decibels, which is the root square, the root mean square of all the noise that is being heard by the sensor. We have all the sensors that we're using, like in airports, for instance, where we have multiple frequencies of noise. So we can see noise just like we do ultrasounds on the predictive maintenance. We see sounds that are ultrasounds from 0 to like 80,000 hertz. So we can easily see the signatures of the equipment. So there is sound on the audible side of things because of regulations regarding the sound that workers should not be exposed to for more than X amount of time. And then there is sound, as in ultrasound, which is what you want on the conveyor belts and the motors running your conveyor belts and the concrete plant to do predictive maintenance on those motors. So sound and sound, right? I hope that answered the question.